Assalamu alaikum class 5. It's our 7th lecture of English A. So today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English book 5. First of all, open page number 23. At the top of the page, write the date. Poem number 2. This morning is our history test. So this poem is about a history test. Words to know: mayonnaise, a thick, creamy dressing for food made from egg yolks, oil, and vinegar. Tennessee, a state in the United States of America. Timbuktu, a city in Mali. So, now we will begin with poem. This morning is our history test. I have pinned my notes inside my vest. Inside my coat, I wrote my notes including dates and famous quotes. I have written more upon my hand that only I can understand. And in my socks and sleeves I stopped my scribbled notes in secret code. So, history means tarikh. So this morning is my history test and I have copied my all notes inside my vest and inside my coat. I have wrote on that page my all notes including dates and famous quotes on that page. I have written more upon my hand that only I can understand, and that student had written more upon his hand and he can only understand his writing. And in my socks and sleeve I stopped my scribble notes in secret code, and he had hidden his notes in his socks and sleeves. Scribbled mean लापरवाही से लिखना. I have written down so many names of winners of Olympic Games, of buildings, people, places too. And he had written so many names of Olympic Games winners and of buildings and places and people on that notes from Tennessee to Timbuktu. I even copied down a piece on ancient Rome, and he had even copied a note on ancient Rome and ancient Greece, plus everything from Shakespeare's plays to who invented mayonnaise, even from Shakespeare plays to who had invented the mayonnaise. I came to school so well prepared. I was not nervous, was not scared. But here it is the history test. So this line means that he has come so well prepared to school. He is not even nervous and scared. Scared means खौफज़दा, but it is his history test. I look inside my coat and vest to get the dates and famous quotes. So when he searched for the notes inside his coat and vest to get the dates and famous quotes, and find I cannot read my notes. So he was unable to read his notes. So much for Shakespeare, Greece and Rome. The notes for Shakespeare, Greece and Rome. I left my glasses back at home because he was unable to read the notes because he had left his glasses back at home. So thank you and Allah Hafiz.